Hello, I'm Daiki from Fishing Life Awaji, Japan. I had a guest from Canada this day. Took him out on amadai fishing, the tile fish, and enjoyed sushi lunch from what we caught on the trip.
You're all excited.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. Today I'm targeting red snapper and I'm gonna use a Japanese traditional fishing rig, what is called Takajikake. It simply means long rig. It's literally pretty long. The whole length of this rig is about more than 10 meters, 11, 12 meters, with 5 hooks. The gap between these hooks is about 2 meters. It's very long, so that we can cover a lot of ranges at the same time, from the bottom to 10 meters up. You gotta be really careful getting tangled. And this is the final hook, the bottom hook. And each leader has about 40 centimeters. And here comes the weight at the bottom. So today I'm gonna fish 40 meters deep, so I'm using 120 gram weight. And now up for the bait. We're gonna use this one, the vinyl pieces. And this is mainly pink and orange. And I made these out of garbage bags. That's it. And this little vinyl piece swims in the water, attract fish, and expecting to get a bite. Okay, so let's see how it works.
Now I throw that into the water. It's got tangled a bit. Now those 5 hooks are all into the water. Drop the rig to the bottom and slowly make some ups and downs. "38 meters deep, there are some thick signals from the bottom to the middle range. And as soon as the rig hits the bottom, there's a bite. I can tell it's definitely a snapper from its flapping tag. Now I tag the leader and bring that up on the boat. It's kinda tough work because the whole length of the rig is about 12 meters. And I have to retrieve all the hooks and fish without getting tangled. I got 2 snapper at the same time. This is Japanese red snapper. It's sweeter than any other snapper type of fish. Here comes another one, but it feels like different type of fish. It's kind of running straight away, so maybe it's yellowtail.
Yellowtail. So today I'm gonna give you some quick recipe using this leftover sashimi from yesterday. This is a Japanese traditional home cooking recipe. These are yellowtail, by the way. So chop these into small pieces. Frozen ginger. Miso, probably this much. And finally, soy sauce, that's it. And mix it to mix them all together. Oh, and finally, add this scallion. Negi. And mix them together. Let's taste it. It's good. It's also good to eat with rice. Put that on the rice and eat them together. Probably the best match with rice. You know, this is also good when you are fed up with the taste of sashimi, because you can't eat sashimi like every day. You maybe need something different, right? So this is something different from sashimi. A very quick recipe. Recommend it. Okay, see ya.